gentlemen, welcome to the main event. Let's get ready to rumble!
Just too white and nerdy. Think I'm just too white and nerdy. Can't you see I'm white and nerdy?
Yo, nerds!
Oh, sorry, I didn't see you there.
Being on camera makes me nervous.
Before we go back to work, I need to tell you what we do. We're the nerds of the cell, aka the brain. We do all the work.
The nucleus!
Shut up, you dummy. We do all the work around here. Well, we gotta get back to work. Bye!
Well, you can call me the Nannerpuss, and guess what? I love pancakes. I come from a land of wonder, of whipped cream and toys and milkshakes. I love straws that bend and curl around. I use my hands to eat my hash browns. I stuff my sausage and my eggs in a bun, 'cause knives and spoons and forks are dumb. I'm the Nannerpuss. Let's have some fun.
The Golgi apparatus looks like pancakes and it attaches sugars to proteins. Yum.
You stink.
The peroxisomes dispose of waste within the cell, much like a garbage can.
The cytoskeleton is like the columns. It holds up the house.
And now a word from our sponsor.
The future of toilet bowl cleaning has never been brighter. Thanks to Scrubbing Bubbles Toilet Cleaning Gel. Just stamp it in your bowl. Its formula is flush activated to prevent buildup of limescale and hard water that cause toilet rings. And it keeps working for up to 6 weeks. Scrubbing Bubbles Toilet Cleaning Gel. The freshest way to keep a toilet clean.
S.C. Johnson, a family.
We now return to our regularly scheduled program.
Lysosomes clean the cell like Lysol. Ow! The nucleolus holds RNA and protects it. Doesn't hurt me because I'm a nucleolus.
The chloroplasts capture light and use it for energy.
Capture it.
Captured.
Refined engines such as I should never get up this early. It's bad for our chug.
Oh, that's silly, Farnsworth.
What would you know about it? You're just a little switch engine moving real engines around the train yard.
Hey, what do you mean, real engines?
Rough ER helps transport protein to the Golgi apparatus. I'm transporting. I'm transporting. Where's that stack of pancakes?
Okay, get off. You can get off now.
For a great metropolitan newspaper, fights a never-ending battle for truth, justice, and the American way.
The mitochondria's powerhouse of the cell, much like this car. Much like the engine of this car. The centrioles help divide the cell, much like this yellow line divides the road. Look at it, there's a car collision. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum transports lipids throughout the cell, much like these stairs transport me into the house. The plasma cell membrane holds stuff inside, much like this fence right here that holds my wonderful yard inside the fence. There's the plasma cell membrane.
The fence.
The fence. It's raining.
What a great show! I'd like to thank the Quack Street Boys and
So, think you're hot cheese, eh? Well, what kind of show you gonna have with just that one cartoon? Over and over and over. Oops. It's a skin condition.
Yo, the storage bin of the cell.
It's very nice.
Neighborhoods, and guess what? I love pancakes. I come from a land of wonder, of whipped cream and toys and milkshakes. I love straws that bend and curl around. I use my hands to eat my hash browns. I stuff my sausage and my eggs in a bun, 'cause knives and spoons and forks are dumb. I'm the neighborhood. Let's have some fun.
Cells, the building blocks of life. Cells, the building blocks of life. They're in your pet and in your knees, in your toes and on the trees. Cells are in your families. Cells. Most cells have a nucleus, and it runs the show. It's in the center of the cell and contains the genetic code. The mitochondria are the power plants of the cell. Vacuoles store food and water, they're useful just as well. Cells, the building blocks of life. Cells, the building blocks of life. They're in your pet and in your knees, in your toes and on the trees. Cells are in your families. Cells. Ribosomes are working hard, making proteins one by one. And Golgi bodies pack them up, ship them off for fun. The endoplasmic reticulum carries proteins carefully. The lysosomes are janitors, clean the cell for free. Cells, the building blocks of life. Cells, the building blocks of life. They're in your pet and in your knees, in your toes and on the trees. Cells are in your families. Cells. Cytoplasm's a gel-like stuff that the cell parts are floating in. The cell membrane says what goes out and what comes back in. Plant cells have a thick cell wall to protect the parts within. Chloroplasts make all the food when photosynthesis begins. Cells, the building blocks of life. Cells, the building blocks of life. They're in your pet and in your knees, in your toes and all the trees. Cells are in your families. Cells. Cells are in your families. Cells.
That's all, folks. That's all, folks.